Most free AI video generators ruin animal movement. You end up with weird morphing faces, extra legs, and stiff motion. But this tool is completely changing the game. If you want to make viral-worthy AI animal animation videos without spending a single dollar, this step-by-step tutorial is all you need, no technical skills required. Here's the thing we've all been through. You try one of these AI tools, you type in cute fox running through snow, and what you get back looks like a nightmare fusion of a fox and a Muppet. 3 legs, face melting into the background. It's genuinely upsetting when you are trying to make something cute. Higgsfield fixes this by using motion-specific AI models that actually understand how animals move their weight, their joints, their natural rhythm, instead of just guessing frame by frame as a lot of these other free tools do. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create your account, generate a realistic animal character, turn that character into smooth animation, and upscale it so it looks crisp on any platform. I've got the link in the description below, so go ahead and open that up now so you can follow along with me. Let's get into it. Step 1, create your account. Now here comes my favorite part, the setup, because honestly, this took me less time than making my morning coffee. When I first signed up, I expected some long, annoying verification process. Instead, I was in and creating within like 2 minutes. I literally sat there like, wait, that's it? Okay, so follow along with me here. First, head over to their website using the link I've put in the description. Then, click the sign up button in the top corner. You can use your email or just continue with your Google account, whatever's faster for you. Next, confirm your email if it asks you to, and once you're in, you'll land right on the main dashboard. That's it. Account created. Here's what most people don't know. The moment you take that first step and sign up, you instantly unlock an exclusive 58% discount on your entry. But that is not all depending on the specific subscription plan you choose to fit your creative needs. You also gain unlimited access to generate as many stunning, high-quality images as your imagination can handle, ensuring you get maximum value from day one. Now that your account is ready, let's get into the fun part, actually creating your animal character. Step 2, generate animal character. Okay, now here comes my absolute favorite part of this entire process. I am so excited to show you this. So when I typed in baby panda sitting in bamboo forest, soft lighting, big eyes, the AI generated something so precious that I actually gasped out loud at my desk. I literally showed it to my roommate like, look what I made. Here's exactly how you do it. First, from your dashboard, hover your mouse on the image button and select Create Image. Next, type your prompt into the text box describing your animal clearly. Be specific about the animal type, the setting, and the mood. For this video, I'll go with this. Professional 3D character sheet of an adorable giant panda, featuring front, side, and back orthographic views, multiple facial expressions, happy, sleeping, eating bamboo, and dynamic action poses, clean studio background, Pixar animation style lighting, high fluffy fur detail. After that, select the AI model, aspect ratio, and resolution. You can also adjust the number of images you want for the generation. Then, hit generate and wait a few seconds while the AI does its thing. Once your options appear, pick the version you like best, or regenerate if none of them feel quite right yet. Now click on Image, select the sole ID character, and click Create Character. After that, you can upload the image you just generated, so the more photos you upload, the more consistent the character results will be. You can upload up to 80 images here. Next, we can write the character's name here and hit the Create button. Once it's finished, you can use the character in any generation. Here's what most people don't know. The more descriptive your prompt is, the better your results are going to be. Instead of just saying dog, try saying fluffy golden retriever puppy sitting, tongue out, soft daylight. That one extra sentence can be the difference between something stiff and something super cute. Now that we've got our character looking adorable, let's talk about the part that makes this whole thing feel like magic, bringing it to life. Step 3, turning character into animation. Okay, this is genuinely the part that made me a full believer in this tool, because this is where the actual game changer moment happens. When I took my little panda image and turned it into a moving animation, watching it blink and shift its weight for the first time gave me actual chills. I literally rewatched it like 5 times in a row before moving on. Here's the step by step. First, click on Video and select Create Video. On the AI model, I'll select Cdance 2.0 fast. Next, click on Upload Media and choose your character in the Elements section. In the prompt box, I'll type this: Pixar-style 3D animation. An adorable fluffy baby panda waddles quickly across a green forest, clumsily carrying a giant bamboo stalk twice its size. It stops, sits down, and happily takes a big bite of the bamboo. Smooth motion, cinematic lighting. Then adjust the duration and aspect ratio. Next, hit generate and give it a moment to process. Here's the secret most people skip. Keep your motion description simple and natural. Instead of asking for a bunch of complicated actions at once, focus on one clear motion like breathing, blinking, or a small head turn. Simple movements almost always look more believable than trying to cram in too much action. Now, once you've got your smooth little animation, there's one more step that takes it from nice to genuinely scroll-stopping quality. Step 4. Upscaling your generated animation. Okay, here comes my final favorite part, and honestly, this is the step that separates the beginner-looking videos from the ones that actually look professional. When I ran my first animation through the upscale option, the difference in sharpness was so noticeable that I actually paused and compared it side by side with the original. I literally couldn't believe it was the same video. Here's how you do it. First, click on the video button and find the video upscale tool. After that, upload the video here. Next, adjust the settings, select your preferred resolution. Most people go with the highest available option for the best result. After that, click the upscale button and let the AI process it. This usually only takes a minute or two, depending on length. Finally, once it's done, download your upscaled version directly to your device. Here's what most people don't know. AI upscaling isn't just about blowing up pixels, it actually redraws tiny details, like individual hairs, skin textures, and crisp edges from scratch. It uses pixel reconstruction to intelligently bring back lost visual data frame by frame, transforming a blurry, low-res clip into a pristine 4K or 8K masterpiece fit for professional screens. And just like that, you have a fully finished, smooth, adorable AI animal animation ready to post anywhere. Let's talk real quick about what this would actually cost you elsewhere. If you hired a professional animator, $300 to $1,000 easily per short clip. If you learn traditional animation software yourself, months of tutorials and a serious learning curve. With this tool, less than the cost of your daily coffee, and you're done in under 10 minutes. Now, I know some of you are thinking, this sounds too easy, there has to be a catch. Nope, it really is this simple. I'm not creative or artistic. You don't have to be, the AI does the heavy lifting. You just guide it. What if my animation looks weird like the other tools? That's exactly why we use clear, simple prompts and the upscale step. It makes a massive difference. I don't have time to learn a new tool. Genuinely, if you followed along today, you already know everything you need. So let's recap what you're walking away with. An immediate, ready-to-post animal animation video. Content that genuinely gets people stopping their scroll. Real savings compared to hiring anyone else. And honestly, a totally new creative outlet that's just fun to play with. Alright, here's what I want you to do right now. The link is in the description below. Go create your account and try this today while it's fresh in your mind. If you want more tutorials like this, come join our community. We share tips and creations constantly. And if this helped you, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one, because I've got so much more coming. Go make something super cute, and I will see you in the next video.